Hello, hi everyone. I'm Ishika, and of course, this is not a motivational video. This is the truth that I have lived and I have been there. Have you ever felt like you are doing everything you can, be it in your studies, your job, your businesses, or any skill building, but at some point you feel useless, like कुछ समझ नहीं आता, सब useless लगता है. Like suddenly, from inside a voice says, आई कांट डू दिस एनी मोर, मुझसे नहीं हो रहा, ना मुझे कोई रिजल्ट दिख रहे हैं, ना मेरे को कोई आउटकम दिख रहा है, मुझसे नहीं हो रहा. एंड दैट्स व्हेन सेल्फ डाउट क्रिप्स इन. एंड यू नो, सेल्फ डाउट इज इक्वल्स टू लॉट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस, जहां सिर्फ आपके दिमाग में इतने सारे क्वेश्चंस आ जाते हैं खुद को लेकर, जिसके आंसर्स ना कोई रील, ना कोई बुक, ना कोई वीडियो फिक्स कर सकती है. एंड यू फील स्टक एज इफ 5 years have passed and you are still the same, struggling, trying, hoping, but nothing really changing. Right? But why? The real question is why? Why you feel nothing is changing? Why aren't you learning, growing, evolving? Why are you still the same? Think about it for a second. क्यों? Is it because you didn't have the right resources? Or is it because your parent didn't understand you? Or is it because your environment wasn't supportive? These are the reasons? Really? So let's just be honest. These are all the excuses जो हम खुद को कितने सालों से दे रहे हैं. जब भी कोई चीज़ हमसे नहीं हो पाती या हमारे अकॉर्डिंगली नहीं हो पाती, हम कोई भी रीजन और एक्सक्यूजेस खुद को देते हैं, खुद को प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए. I did the same. For years and years, I kept blaming people, my parents, circumstances, situation, friends, relatives, and whatnot. But the truth is, none of those were actually stopping me. I was stopping me. It wasn't about the lack of support. It wasn't about the money or people or timing. It was about me, my thoughts, my habits, my fear. मतलब कितना आसान होता है ना ये बोलना कि अगर मेरे पेरेंट्स थोड़े भी सपोर्टिव होते तो आज मैं यहाँ नहीं होता, मेरा एनवायरनमेंट इतना टॉक्सिक है इसीलिए मैं आज यहाँ हूँ. रियली इट्स ईजी टू ब्लेम द वर्ल्ड, बट इट हार्ड टू एक्सेप्ट दैट आज मैं जो भी हूँ, जहाँ भी हूँ, जैसा भी हूँ, जो भी मेरे पास रिसोर्सेज है, वो सिर्फ और सिर्फ मेरी वजह से है. इसका कारण सिर्फ और सिर्फ मैं हूँ. एंड दिस changed my perspective, my life, when I started taking responsibility. Blaming is easy, but taking responsibility is hard. पर जब हम responsibility लेते हैं, that's where the game changes. That's where real freedom begins. And for that, you don't need 10 hacks to follow that, 10 tips to follow. You don't need that. All you need is radical honesty with yourself. You don't need new routine. You need self-acceptance, self-awareness, self-responsibility. And sadly, ये सब तुम्हारे लिए कोई नहीं करेगा, तुम्हें खुद करना है. सिंपल है. अगर कंप्लेंट्स की जगह चेंज चाहते हो लाइफ में, स्टॉप ब्लेमिंग अदर्स, स्टॉप ब्लेमिंग थिंग्स, स्टॉप लाइंग टू योरसेल्फ. तो कि लाइफ को देखकर कंपेयर करना, दूसरों की स्ट्रैटेजी को फॉलो करना बंद करो. जस्ट लुक एट योर लाइफ, जस्ट लुक एट योर रियलिटी एंड आस्क योरसेल्फ, are you really doing what you are capable of? If the answer is no, then start doing that. Take one small step at a time. Listen, you can read 100 of books, okay? You can follow 50, 100 influencers, or even you can plan every detail of your future. But at some point, still you feel lost. And then you sit with yourself with no filters, with no distractions, and just ask yourself the right question. And I think for that, you don't need money, you don't need courses, or you don't even need the advices. All you need is a pen and some paper and little bit of honesty and courage. Guys, I have created a 0 rupee journal, and it's not just a journal. It's where I met my real self for the first time. Not the one I perform, not the one people knows, the one I had abandoned. And you know what? It didn't fix me overnight, but it made me feel seen. So the initial questions that changed me, or the questions that made me face my fear, my lies, my truth, I'm sharing all of that to you. So you can download it from the description and do it every day. Please don't skip. And I promise the moment you sit with yourself with this journal now, you will meet someone that you have forgotten. That's you. Now the choice is yours. दूसरों की वीडियोस देख के, दूसरों की स्ट्रैटेजीज फॉलो करके खुद को बदलना है, या खुद को फेस करके खुद को बदलना है. द चॉइस इज ओनली योर्स. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए टेक केयर. बाय बाय.